Ishri is just like that magic wand which completely changes your life. These were the parting words of our alumni members before officially signing off. Amidst the lockdown and work from home going on in the world, should we sit quietly and go with the flow? No, we will come forward even if it is on a digital platform. Like every year, this year too, the Day of Wonder has been much awaited. We extend our warm welcome to all the respected guests, faculty members, respected alumni, the seniors, and our dear friends. We have all gathered here on this auspicious occasion of Tapan in the Heat Season 5 Inauguration Day. The mainstream segments today and learning more about Tapan 2021, I would like to present a small glimpse of Ishre Student Chapter for all of us to mark the beginning of today's grand evening.
So let us mark his words and hear what Utpal sir has to say us. Sir, can you please come up on the virtual podium and say a few words about this?
Okay, so thank you Priyanshu and thank you everybody. My respected principal, respected faculties, respected guests, students teams and the whole students. I could see that 62 participants are there, and I would like to really congratulate this IM chapter committee, the whole CWC and the members for organizing this Tapan. Is the 5th edition. Feel the heat. So first of all, I'm very lucky to be here once again in this Tapan. I can feel the heat also. I can understand what kind of technical discussions is going on, and let me tell you, I'm very proud of to be connected to be with IEM, and because I remember the day we had started chapters in the IEM, and subsequently how it has moved, and this could be only done because of the good support from the college. Talk about Arun sir, PKD sir, and the power charged Professor Gunjan, and the students, the kind of students you are, and take a good opportunity to take every steps. I feel really proud when somebody talks about IAM has won this national program and that national program, and you will see that most of the national program has been won for the last few years by IEM. So IEM to me, it's a great college and great institutions. It delivers the best students I find in Calcutta, with the kind of not only for the study part, smartness, the way you are organizing, the way you are planning, and all could happen because of your interest. I love this interest. Please get addicted to this interest so that you will shine more on that. I would like to place one thing to this team today, saying, see, that Ishre is doing a lot of technical research. They are doing it, and we have a lot of groups in that technical. It's more than almost 150, 200 participants are in this place. Gunjan, I would like to see that your students are bright. Why can't they apply for the this technical group, be a part of this? And this will not increase their knowledge, but I'm sure they are going to be a perfect manager, which is they would like to, because it is not only for the educational part, because Ishre is not trying to make you only the academia, but they are also trying to make you that how you deliver in future. You will see that a lot of industries guys are there in this place, whom you have seen, and we are trying to grow up that way. So I would like to see that if any students, that will be good, that they can get in touch with the technical group and you can participate, be part of this technical group. I'm sure in this meeting I'm trying to say that you are going to gain out of it. So this is one thing. Second is, I always say that the college is a place where you have to work hard. You work hard, you get the result after 4 years only. How to get the result? When you get into I can see that there are a lot of students are there with the Hitachi. We feel proud of it. Like IM students has gone, they are still connected to me, and they keep writing to me that how they are enjoying on that place. I would like to see you that please go and join in a good company. But when you join in a good company, you only have to carry your all lesson what you have been taught in this college, and you are going to prove a good student, a good person, and good Indians in that way. So that's the way, and I would like to I'm very happy that I'm sure all students have worked so hard that you have been connected with the Prem Jain Memorial Trust. That's very great news of it, and you are connected to the Ashray East. That is also great part of it. I just wanted to see how Prabhita is getting connected to this Tapman, because he is the gentleman who has been getting touch of this Prabhita, Dipakda, and all these gentlemen. I hope they should be here in this Tapman also and be a part of this on that part. I also would like to place to the CWC team. I was talking to Mysore team a few days back, and you know that they looking at their projects, product show cause. In fact, during my tenure only, I started that project, product showcase in your IM. I would request Gunjan to get it connected to Mysore. What are the new things they are doing in the product showcase? And I'm sure that you can start doing it, or maybe you can exchange what you are best, you are trying to do it, and how they are going to do it. I'm very happy to note that you are doing CADO trivia, where you are trying to teach plumbing. Am I right? The plumbing part is there?
The drawing part of plumbing is there, sir.
Yeah, drawing part of plumbing, because in HBSC today, in the air conditioning, MEP sector has become a very important part of it. Mechanical, electrical, plumbing. So it's one way you are always advanced. I have been seeing that you are always advanced in one step than other college, and I'm very happy to see that you are also working with the plumbing design on that. That's a great part of it, and the students will get a lot of knowledge, and if they would like to do their further job on that kind of line, and definitely it's going to be give 1+ compared to the other students on that. I have also gone through your all the portfolio, seeing that how you are going to do it, technical article series, heat load calculation, presentation with ashtrays. You're going to do energy conservation. So you have rightly found it out that Ashu Gupta is the right person on that. You are doing memorial quiz, BBC memorial quiz also on that. You are doing technical talk. I'm sure a lot of senior from Ishra is going to join in the technical part of it, and you are doing CADO trivia, and you are doing Facebook quiz. So nothing, I mean, I wish that other chapters could have joined here. They would have seen that how this IM, why they have got this model chapters name on that, just because of this kind of extraordinary you are doing it. So keep doing the same kind of things. Keep flying your flag of Ishra IM to the whole Ishra student chapter. And I'm today also, we feel so much proud to see that a lot of students of IM has taken our national position also, and they have taken chapter positions also. So all these things are because the way the professors have groomed them up, the way you have taken an interest on this. All the best to you guys, and I'm very happy to be a part of the students program today again. And nicely, Pranshu, you are doing it very fine with Vidhi. So all the best. You guys are all good. Thank you very much. Thank you, Gunjan, for calling me here also. All the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Just 1 minute, Priyanshu. I think in every episode of Tapman, sir, your presence really charges us, and that always give us energy to come up with the revised version with attitude of moving forward. So thank you, sir. And also, sir, just for updates, in our heat load challenge, our jury member is PK Sen, sir.
Okay, very
Then
good. Very good.
HPSC Cool, our jury is Das Gupta, sir, and
Okay.
Deepak Verma, sir.
Lovely.
And in the quiz competition, BBG Quiz Memorial, we have a KK Mitra, sir, in the quiz
Very
round
good.
also.
Very
as
good.
expert. So
So
we are trying to
it
cover.
is not that I always come and give you the hit. I also, it's a give and take. I also get charge out of this place, and it's always in my mind that how I enjoy with you guys. Once the lockdown and colleges opens, definitely I'll come and have a cup of tea. I know that how beautifully you serve it there, and thank you so much. All the best to you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, we have noted down your all the advices that you have given, and sure we will work on that segment.
Sure.
And we will further strengthen the operation
Yes.
and the learning part, sir. Sure, sir.
Sure. Any problem, please let me know. And I'm sure whatever best I could do it, definitely I will do it for your student chapter on that. Student chapter always in my heart.
Sure.
Thank you.
So I know, sir, you are very much busy always, but again, I will put my unofficial request for, because this is for official, but unofficial, that on Saturday we have a BBG quiz memorial quiz. So if you sir find time, so
what time is that?
It will be, sir, 11:30 onwards, sir. 11:30 onward.
Okay, just send me the link. We have RCC 2 also,
yes,
regional conferences also there. And
Saturday is
okay, but still, no, but that doesn't matter. But I'm not that busy. Don't make me on that way. But still, I would like to see that how best I can do it. If I join, definitely I'll be happy to be on part of it on that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Priyanshu, Vidhi, carry on. All the best to you guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and the proposals you have made. We'll definitely try to comply to what you said. And as Gunjan sir also said, that you have led the foundation of this chapter, and you have constantly guided us and provided all the necessary support to our Ishre student chapter of IM throughout our journey. And now,
don't forget for the technical group. That is a place if you guys join, I'm quite sure you are going to get a lot of benefit out of it, which you can't imagine on that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now, with your permission, sir, I would take a while and would ask our technical chair, show me if you can just come up with your technical article of this year and can show you and also the audience a glimpse of such a wonderful creation. Show me, are you there?
Yes, Priyanshu, I'm there, and thank you so much.
All yours. Please share your screen.
Yes. And now we are looking forward from your kind review about our this year article. If Utpal sir, if you want to say something, please, sir.
No, it's. I would like to say it's fantastic. The way I could see how the students and the team has put their effort to collate the whole things and bring out some kind of professionals. Brochures, and it's a fantastic one. The way you have captured, I could see a lot of pictures whom I know, and good students. I remember those days, how I spent with them in your college, and I love to see that. It's good, and it's fantastic always. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, sir.